Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sani. Hope you are doing great. As you already know that still the postponement result is pending. It has been shifted to the next upcoming week. So we can't rely on it, and definitely there are chances that it will not get postponed at all. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the second part of the video regarding the NEET MDS important questions. Definitely it's my request that you can take pen and paper and note down the important questions of the remaining subject. With the first subject, that is pharmacology, the important question. The first question will be the rifampicin action with oral contraceptives. The question might be on the benign post-rate hypertrophy. Third question will be on the opioid with the anticholinergic action. Fourth question will be drug of choice in gonorrhea. Already one video is out on my channel regarding the gonorrhea. Definitely I will put the link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that video. Right? Question is the drug of choice for PSVT. Next question is the bedaquiline side effects. Next question is on the monoclonal antibody used in rheumatoid arthritis. Next question is on the drug which is used in the acute heart failure and the pulmonary edema. And the last question, which is important in pharmacology, is the propranolol used in the thyroid storm and its effect. Now let's come to the another subject, that is pedodontics, which you read in final year of dentistry. Now let's see the important questions of this subject, that is pedodontics. So the first important question is the Ellis classification. Second will be gum pads. Third question will be behavior management technique. Fourth question will be the sequence of primary teeth affected in children with high caries susceptibility. Important question is on the objective fear in a child in dentistry. Next question is material that are used for pulpotomy. Is the self-inflicted injury, that is bite, is seen in. Important question is the pedodontic treatment triangle. And the last question of pedo, that is the Halmich maneuver. To the another subject important question, that is oral surgery. So the first question is the Valsalva maneuver. Second question important in oral surgery is the Tortor syndrome. Third will be the type of intubation used in the cleft palate patient. The ultimate important topics of the different subjects, right? Next question is the osteotome. Next important question is the blades which are used in oral and maxillofacial surgery. Important question is the Guerian sign is seen in. Next important question will be on the trephination technique. Next important question is the trapdoor anomaly is seen in orbital floor reconstruction. The last important question of oral surgery is the Lee-Clark procedure. Another set of the important questions of the OMR or the oral pathology, right? So the first question is on the glossopharyngeal neuralgia. Second question will be on the Plummer-Wilson syndrome. Third question will be on the erythema multiforme. Fourth question is on the Stevenson-Johnson syndrome. Fifth question is on the lichen planus. Seventh question is on the suppurative osteomyelitis. Important question is on leukoplakia. Next important question is on the multiple myeloma. Next important question is on the Papillon-Levi-Weiss syndrome in multiple myeloma. Important question is the Dermy-Jallian method. Now the last subject having the important questions in this video, that is of prosthodontics, and the first question is the Andes law. Second important question is the CVCT indications. Third important question is on the implant ratchet. Fourth important question is on the resonance frequency analyzer. Next important question is on the double processing method. Next important question is indications of Pontic. Next important question is on the Gothic arch tracing for the centric relation. Important question is on the failure of the implant retained prosthesis. Important question is on the implant analog. Important question of prosthodontics is the Aramoney's classification. About the second part of the important questions regarding the different subjects which are useful to study in NEET MDS preparation, right? If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID. And if you want to ask any question, any query, you can DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, right? Don't forget to practice the free MCQs available on my Instagram story. Followed by that, past papers with solution are available, that too up to the last 10 years. So you can have it on your WhatsApp. For that also you can DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. That's all about the today's video. Thank you for watching.